In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the prices on your Shopify products. This is really easy and very quick, so I'm going to show you guys it right away. So what you want to do is you basically just want to have your shop opened up, as you can see, and then just click on products right here. And on this page, all your products will show up, of course. I only have one product, so we're going to choose this one. And once we're here on our products, you just basically have to scroll down and it says pricing right here, and you can change it to whatever you like. I currently have it on €0, but I'm going to change it to $9.99. And then just click on save. You can also add a compare at price or cost per item and the weight and stuff like that. That all has to do with the pricing, but I think you can figure that out for yourself. And I'm just only going to show you guys where you can change the pricing of your products, and that's about it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.